Coconut choka roasting. I tell you guys, when I come to Guyana, I'm gonna make coconut choka. When I finish this, I'm gonna do some balanje choka. Coconut choka for so. Coconut choka roasting. I tell you guys, when I come to Guyana, I'm gonna make coconut choka. These are my fresh ingredients that I'm gonna use: garlic, onion, pepper, thyme, fine leaf, fat leaf, and some cardamom powder. Fire burning. Fireside food is the best food, man. We're chilling and doing our coconut choka here. Okay, you see that?
Ow!
Live, this is the life. Coconut choka in the making.
Put it in, right?
This is the life and direct. Perfect. This is the way it ought to roast. Smoking, piping hot. Next set. So now we have to soak this, take off the shell and grate it now. So that's our next mission. We gotta check the fire, make sure that the wood is good. Good. So this now we have to take out the shell.
100%
Make sure
You're roasting the coconut
first,
to
yeah.
make coconut choka.
Yeah. So we gotta take it out. This is how you take it out. See? So it's very nice. It comes out very easy. You scrape off the bone part. You take off this piece.
You're learning or you know how to do it? Come when Sammy say you want coconut choka, you gotta know to make it, you know.
Bring out a bowl and next basin so we can put out this.
Yeah, look at your
And what's the videographer for Guyana Ways there, look? Guyana's way right there, look. Video taping. You push firewood. If somebody tell you pushing firewood, you know what you're doing.
I love coconut choka, but it's a tedious task to get everything done. So I make it my duty to show you guys how I do it over the fireside. I hope you will enjoy it and tell me what you eat coconut choka with. So now I'm going to grate it. So it would be easier when you grind it on the sill. And I'm going to put some hot pepper, thyme, celery, so you gotta make sure that you don't grate your fingers, you know. You gotta make sure that you don't grate your fingers. And I make sure that I get a piece to carry back with me, okay? I'm gonna take that piece. You put my chocolate out? You did? Greater in the action now.
What? There's more back
Come they got him then auntie.
Yes. Sizzling. Throw the next one there.
Eu fiz essa na pessoas eu acho.
So Sammy, roasting, Lexi grated would be here.
Hey, eu fiz né para YouTube baby.
Yeah. Come. So we're cooling it down. The finished grind coconut choka. This is we have to go and grind it on the sill. This is already finished grated. This is what it looks like. So grind all of this out, and this is the way that we grind it on the sill. And you gotta make sure that it grind very fine. See? Grind fine. You pick it up. Then we're gonna grind our seasoning as we near finish. And this is our seasoning here. Some onions, garlic, thyme, Suriname thyme, and some mampo, tiger teeth pepper, and some Wiri pepper. So let's get going. The next set. I'm doing the garlic. So I'm grinding the garlic into the coconut choka. But if you could smell the garlic mix with the coconut choka, it pack a high scent. And I love to cook with a lot of garlic, you know. See? So I'm doing the cardamom pork, the Suriname thyme, and the fine leaf thyme. Our people, our house people love pepper. Caribbean people in the whole love a lot of pepper. So please leave a comment and let me know if you like to eat a lot of pepper.
And what's your favorite pepper?
The Wiri pepper, the yellow one, the yellow Guyana Wiri pepper, and the red one. So this, the seasoning part, now I'm gonna mash it up, mix it all together, and then I'm gonna add a little bit salt. So I'm gonna take out one for me to go to New York and two for home. So and then we mash it in together like this. Coconut choka for so. My brother-in-law wants shrimp coconut choka, so I'm gonna do that for him. So we're gonna do some shrimp. Add some shrimps in our coconut choka. So we're frying up the shrimp. The shrimp. So this is a combination of, this is shrimp coconut choka. So you gotta make sure that everything grind up, you know? And this now I'm gonna mix it up with salt, so now I'm gonna add some onions. See?
So this too, so I'm gonna mix up in there.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some more shrimps and mix it up. You gotta mix up and you gotta put salt. So this, the seasoning part, now I'm gonna mash it up, mix it all together, and then I'm gonna add a little bit salt. So I still have a next set here that I'm gonna add to it too. So let me finish off this part and then we're gonna put all together. See, even though I live in New York City, I could still do a coconut choka and a balanja choka over the fireside. So I could pass. So this is the life of Amo Kitchen. I'm just showing you coconut choka. So